Yeah, g'day YouTube, ZL2RO here again, doing another video on FT8 on the 40 meter band. And now you'll see the footage on the transceiver is much better. So yeah, I think you'll appreciate the quality of that video there. So I just got pinged by this station here, VE3RJT. But for some reason that's as far as it's gone, so we'll go back just to CQ and see what happens. Local time here is 4:23 PM Monday, and current temperature is 23.4 degrees, so it's quite nice. Yeah, there's a few stations here, as you can see over here, and we look up here. Mind you, I think I should change where I'm putting out the CQ, so to speak. Right, here we go. I think this is a little bit like fishing. You wait for the bite and then you reel them in. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so the FT8 in the 40 meter band is 7.04. Anyway, we'll see what happens, guys. I hope you like this feed on the transceiver and what's going on. See if we can get a little closer. Hopefully that resolution is good. Let us know in the comments if it can be improved, guys. Right, here we go. Look at that. K6 FD. It's definitely stateside. Alright, let's see if we can complete this contact. Let's wait for the reply. Alright, what's going to happen? He's obviously found me. Alright, come on, let's see what happens, guys. Should only be a few minutes. What's happening here? So I just transmitted. Now I'm waiting for the reply. Yeah, well, I'll wait for it. Here we go. Right. So it should only be moments now for the confirmation of QSO. As you can see, the transceiver just transmitted. It looks like a far better quality video on the IC7300. Yep. Should only be a few more moments. And hopefully a dialog box will pop up here for confirmation of QSO. These aren't coming as quick as they were on 17 meters earlier on today, which there was a small video on that one, so I hope you guys enjoyed that one. there will be some videos on other digital modes coming up. Maybe we need to increase the power a little bit. Right, there we go. Right, so the mode was FT8, the band was 40 meters. It says grid square, and there's this call sign. So I'll confirm that and go back to CQ. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and hopefully the quality is a bit better from previous videos. So I'll say 7 threes for now, and thanks for watching, and please like the video, and put any comments you like in the comments. It'll be really great. Catch you guys later.